Hello everyone. Today we are going to compare two of the most popular SSDs in the market, the Kingston A400 and the Samsung 870 EVO. Both of these SSDs have their own unique features and capabilities, so stay tuned as we dive into the details. When it comes to price, the Kingston A400 is definitely a budget-friendly option with a price tag of $25. On the other hand, the Samsung 870 EVO comes with a higher price point of $64. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the Kingston A400 is the way to go. In terms of performance, the Samsung 870 EVO definitely takes the lead. With a sequential read speed of up to 560 megabytes per second and a sequential write speed of up to 530 megabytes per second, the Samsung 870 EVO provides a professional level of performance. The Kingston A400, on the other hand, has a sequential read speed of up to 500 megabytes per second and a sequential write speed of up to 450 megabytes per second. So, if performance is your top priority, the Samsung 870 EVO is definitely the better option. Both the Kingston A400 and the Samsung 870 EVO are reliable options. However, the Samsung 870 EVO has an industry-defining reliability with up to 600 TBW under a 5-year limited warranty. The Kingston A400, on the other hand, is more durable and reliable than a traditional hard drive. So, if you're looking for maximum reliability, you can opt for the Samsung 870 EVO. Both the Kingston A400 and the Samsung 870 EVO are compatible with major host systems and applications. However, the Samsung 870 EVO has been compatibility tested for a wider range of systems, including chipsets, motherboards, NAS, and video recording devices. So if you have specific compatibility needs, the Samsung 870 EVO might be the better option. Using both the Kingston A400 and the Samsung 870 EVO is as easy as plugging them into the standard 2.5-inch SATA form factor on your desktop PC or laptop. However, Samsung has renewed migration software that makes the installation process much simpler. So, if you're looking for an easy-to-install SSD that comes with software support, the Samsung 870 EVO is the way to go. Finally, when it comes to the brand, Samsung has been the world's #1 brand for flash memory since 2003, and all firmware and components, including Samsung's world-renowned DRAM and NAND, are produced in-house. So if brand reputation is a concern for you, Samsung might be the better option. So, that's our review of the Kingston A400 and Samsung 870 EVO. Both are great options with their own unique benefits. It really depends on your specific needs and requirements when it comes to selecting an SSD. We hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please like the video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Thank you for watching.